In this video, we are going to talk about so, to, very, and really. So the first two that we are going to talk about are very and really. Very and really have the same meaning, but very sounds a bit more formal, a bit more professional, a little bit more boring. Really sounds a bit more casual, a bit more friendly, and a bit more exciting, a bit more interesting. So if you're reading a history book, the history book might say, "This temple is very old. This is a very big city." It expresses the idea of very, but it doesn't sound interesting. If we use really, really sounds more exciting. This temple is really old. This is a really big city. The meaning is the same as very, but there's more excitement, there's more feeling, there's more interest. Okay, so that's very and really. Then we have so and to. So is similar to really, because so is very, very exciting. It shows a lot of your emotions, a lot of your feelings. So you use so when you are experiencing something directly. You are experiencing it yourself. You are being amazed by something. For example, maybe you are eating some food and you think, "Oh, it's so spicy, so spicy." And you have lots of emotion, lots of feeling, lots of energy in the way that you're speaking. Or maybe you go to an art museum because you like art, and you see a painting and you look at it, you think, "Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful." So shows that it really touches you. It gives you this feeling, it gives you this emotion. Or, "I'm so cold, I'm so cold." So shows that you are experiencing it right now, and you have very strong feelings about it. It is affecting you personally in a very strong way. And it can be good or it can be bad. But the important thing is that it shows a lot of emotion, a lot of connection, and it's not formal. You're not usually going to use this in formal speaking or in writing. It's usually used in a casual conversation to really express how you feel personally. Okay, and then the last one is to. To shows that there is a certain level of something, and we don't usually want that level. We don't usually expect that level. This is not the level that we want right now. If someone gives you some food, "Oh, it's too spicy. I can't eat it. I can't eat it. It's too spicy." To means maybe I like this level, but this food is this level, and that is unacceptable for me. Or maybe you want to buy something, and you have this much money, but this product costs this much money. "Oh, I can buy something that's a little bit expensive, but this one is too expensive. I don't have quite that much money." Or, "I like hot weather. Hot weather is nice, but today it's too hot. I like it to be about this hot, but today it's this hot. I cannot tolerate this level. It is too hot today." Or maybe we're having a party and we say the limit for the number of people is 20. 20 people can come to the party. But if 25 people come, we have too many people. 2 shows that the number is above our limit. It's not what we can accept. It's not what we expected. It's not appropriate for this situation. So that's 2. So again, very and really are the same. It's very spicy. It's really spicy, but really shows more emotion. Very is more formal. So shows that we have a very strong feeling about this. We are emotional. We are experiencing something. And 2 shows that the level is unacceptable for this situation.